Alright boys, Warrior Riser, Snorkel, your ATV kit for 2013 Polaris Sportsman begins right now. You got the Warrior Risers. They do look pretty nice. And you know, everything kind of pre-organized for you. If you do have to glue a few of your own joints. So hopefully you're comfortable with that. I'm totally comfortable with that. Done a lot of plumbing. I do have a fair bit of plumbing experience. You got all your pre-cut hoses. And these are the nice heavy-duty metal coiled ones. They do have them labeled. One thing I will say is they do not have a parts list. I mean, I would expect a parts list, that, you know, a checklist that tells you everything that you got and what you're supposed to have. And then you know. That's just my invoice. We don't want to keep that around. We don't know how much we don't want to remember how much we spent on it. Now, this thing is not really cheap compared to if you went and bought it all yourself. But I mean, they've got it all figured out and everything, so I mean, why not give it a shot? But yeah, sometimes it definitely does feel, it definitely feels like a lot, but sometimes that's the way to go. Anyways, well, we're going to give it our best shot. Let's get started. Get these first steps. You got to get the rack off, plastics off, seat off, strip it right down. Well, that part was easy. Just like that. So, this should be free. Okay, the back, wow, that's easy. Back comes right off now. Oh, let's check these wires. Come on. Gotta just look wrong in there with this little bugger. There's a clamp under here. Gotta get loosened off. And then the filler next to the fuel tank. I should be able to pop it out. Just so easy. There we go. See to get over top of the lip. Now, this rag in here, so don't get stuff falling in the fuel tank. Now we'll get this off here without breaking anything. Manipulate this here ever so carefully. Oh, I think we got it. Yeah, you could definitely, if you're not careful, you could break this thing right here. So definitely don't want to be grunting your way through it. Definitely don't want to be grunting your way through it. Patience is key sometimes. Although, oh yeah, there we go. Patience is key, even though a lot of times that's not the case. We got it all apart. So what we're doing here is we're taking this bike and we're installing this here Snorkels on. I think I might just leave it just like that. No. Anyways, first steps we got to do is we got to cut a hole in the airbox here. Somewhere around, not this circle, but part of the circle. We got to move a couple wires out of the way. So we got some modifications to do, we got some work, and we got to cross our fingers and hopefully we don't F anything up. Okay boys, the install has begun. First step, we remove the little rubber cover for the intake into the airbox. Get rid of that. So there's a plexiglass plate here to cover the hole. I got one more hole to drill. So we'll get that. Just pull these All I did was pull the handlebar side to side so I have some room to get the drill in. so that's the last hole. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take this plate off here, and I'm going to thoroughly clean around both surfaces, and then we'll put a bead of silicone around, attach it, tighten the nuts and bolts down, and put some more silicone around the outside on the top, and we should be good to go. We're just going to get some bead of silicone on here. Okay, now I try to let's get this thing on the right direction. I think I got it right. Oh yeah, that's in a hole. 2, 3. Come on. 4. Oh yeah. Silicone's squishing out nicely. Good. And just so you know, the silicone I'm using, it's 100%, and it's safe for use on aquariums. Okay, that's on there. So now, I'm going to do a little bit more on the outside. Complete the install. Well, there's no point, there's no going back from this hair box. Okay boys, here's kind of the dilemma that we've got. There's this circle that's already here, but this circle is not going to help us because the inside of the air box is too tight. That's the instructions say you need to go a little bit above center and to the left to drill your hole. But let me tell you, the picture in the instructions shows like a lot more room in here. So this part's pretty tricky. Still gotta leave enough room to get the friggin' ring in there. This is frickin' really hard to find out. The way my hole saw is here, I can't really get it where you want. Okay, moved a few things out of the way, but I had trimmed this the lip of this hole off here, and now we'll try and drill the hole again. Going back now. Frick, thanks. Come on, bud. Okay, we're in. Me. And I don't think we're over far enough. Son of a bitch. No, we are not over far enough. The frickin' picture in here sucks ass. I mean, I'm through, but it's gotta come over way more, at least over to here. See, look at that. That's where it needs to be. Right there. Need to freaking drill right into this. Well, we're gonna have to do some figuring out what we're gonna do. I'll have to trim this off so I can Move the hole back this way probably at least 1/4, 3/8 of an inch. For sure. Son of a bitch.